Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Capcut no internet problem. So let's get started. So first of all, let's go into our Play Store because we are going to make sure that our Capcut app in our device is not outdated. So if you go here and search Capcut right here, you want to go and find Capcut in your Play Store, or if you are in iOS, you would want to search for it in your App Store. So once you're here, you want to update Capcut. You want to make sure that it is updated. So if you have the update button right here instead of open button, then you would need to update your Capcut first so that it would be optimal and it would run smoothly, because the biggest reason that most users are having problem like internet problems in Capcut is because their Capcut is outdated. So you would make sure first that your Capcut is updated. So once you have made sure of that and you launched your Capcut and you can see that it is still not solved, there is still an internet problem, then you can go and download a VPN. From here, you want to go into your Play Store or App Store again, and instead, we're gonna go and search for VPN this time. So you want to download VPN depending on what you want right here, but what I recommend is this one, Kaspersky Antivirus and VPN. And once you have downloaded this or any VPN that you would like, you would want to open it. And from here, and you would want to turn on VPN, and after it has been turned on, you would want to check if the Capcut is now working. It should be working now because your Capcut is now updated and you have your VPN turned on. But in case that it doesn't work, then one final thing that I can advise to you is go into our settings on your device settings right here, and you want to go into your apps and go manage apps and search for Capcuts here in your app right here in the settings. And from here, you want to clear data and clear cache. You don't want to clear all data, just the cache. And after that, you want to go back into your VPN. You want to open your VPN, turn on your VPN, and it should be working now. So that is basically it for this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.